injection payload that will turn this condition to always true, and we managed to bypass the password check. SQL injection, a known security bug. In this challenge, our objective is to fix this defect. But before that, let's hack the app. I will run the app. It accepts two query parameters, username and password. Let's try them. We cannot log in. Let's try a random password. No success. I will try a SQL injection payload that will turn this condition to always true, and we managed to bypass the password check. To patch SQL injection, we must follow the framework best practice. Here, I will talk about one mistake that we should always avoid in patching SQL injection, and that is by trying to escape for special characters of those fields that we use in the SQL query. Here I'm escaping the password field. An escape method, it effectively HTML escape some of those characters. I will run the app again, try the same payload. It may look like that we have addressed the issue, but not. The root cause is still there, and this way of patching is open to a lot of other mistakes.